Downtown bliss awaits in this perfect blend of historic charm and modern amenities at 303rd Street on the Old West Side of Ann Arbor. With stunning woodwork, a spacious layout, and refined upgrades, this urban sanctuary is a true gem in the heart of Ann Arbor. Perched atop the two-car garage, the concrete rooftop terrace is tailor-made for morning cups of ruse roast, lively cocktail hours, and gorgeous sunsets. Original oak flooring has been preserved in the living room, along with the mahogany window frames, ornate banisters, and exposed brick. Custom stained glass, ceramic mosaics, and playful wood carvings add an eclectic whimsy to this tree-town charmer. The open kitchen features Purdue cabinetry with non-toxic tung oil finishing, granite counters, tile backsplash, 5-burner stove, a Bosch double oven, a massive island, and stunning rosewood flooring. A first floor primary includes a cedar closet, 9-foot ceilings, handcrafted tile work, and Vigo shower system. The second story includes a versatile loft, 2 roomy bedrooms, and an insulated attic space ready to be transformed. Take note of the hickory flooring with rosewood inlays, vaulted ceiling, exposed brick, and sun-drenched natural light. The western-facing wing is well suited for a future addition. Thoughtful updates include maple windows, high-efficiency furnace, AC, and water heater, a glass-rated garage door, heavy-duty weather stripping, glass block windows, a lovely herb garden, fruit bushes, and a fresh power washing. This house has been meticulously maintained by the current seller. Once home to Ann Arbor's first independent grocer at the turn of the 20th century, Daniel Haas, traces of the original fieldstone foundation can be found next to the sturdy 1961 era concrete block in the 1,100 square foot basement storage area. Originally constructed in the 19th century, this storybook Old West Side home is ready for its next chapter to be written. Opportunities like this do not come around very often. Come check it out.